Alright, so what we got here is a Toyota GT86 2020, and what we've done is we've installed the Ghost 2 Immobiliser system, so a thief will not be able to drive the vehicle without entering the code. So when you get in the vehicle, you need to enter your code to disarm the system. 1 2 3 4. You get 2 beeps that lets you know that the ghost has been disarmed and you are able to start the vehicle. Now the vehicle's on. So without the code, you're not able to drive it. The code is fully customizable. You can set any combination you want. So yeah, if you want the Ghost 2 installed on your vehicle, Toyota GT86, see the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.